We are heading to Home Depot to look at the Christmas trees. We're looking for a Christmas tree, so we initially saw this one, I think, online that we liked, but it has glitter and that would be a problem. So we decided not to get this one. Ooh, this looks nice. This one's $3.99, the 7.5 foot, but we want the 9 foot. This one, it comes with 2,000 lights. So this one looks very similar and it's $2.99, but it comes with 1,200 lights. I don't know, I like this one too, but this one has a darker green. We might go with this one, and it just has so many lights. It's so pretty. So we came to Lowe's now because they have trees here, and so we're gonna check out the trees here at Lowe's, and then we're gonna decide which ones we want to pick. We have a lot of trees. So we were just looking at all the trees, and we just decided we didn't like any of them because most of the trees you can just see the wires on literally almost every single tree that they have here at Lowe's. Look at this. I mean, even this one, I think it was like the nicest one probably, but I mean, you can see the wires. If we're gonna pay a lot of money for a tree, we don't want to be able to see any wires. And the Home Depot one, you cannot see the wires, so we're probably gonna go with the Home Depot tree. Alfred just got home and he's so excited because he just got the PlayStation 5.
Got my PS5.
He's so excited. He was up at 7:30 in the morning and it wasn't gonna be available till 10.
Brand new controller.
Is that Chris?
Big.
Oh my god, it's freaking big. Why is it so big?
I don't know what game I'm gonna play first though. Damn. It's in the freaking way, but whatever.
You're gonna have to lay it down.
Nah, I'll leave it like that.
You're gonna leave it standing like that?
Yeah. I like it like that, that's all.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it might look better laying down. So it tells you what to do.
Yeah.
If you guys are wondering why I'm not on camera, it's because I look like this. I just woke up and I showered.
like has resistance to it. The visuals are so nice on these.
You guys, guess what day it is? We are getting our Christmas tree in the mail today. We did purchase the tree online. We ordered it and it's supposed to get delivered by UPS. We are planning to put it up today, and then I'm not sure what day we're gonna decorate it, but it's gonna be sometime this week. But yeah, I'm really excited. So I put on my Christmas leggings to be in the Christmas spirit. I actually forgot where I got these, but I got them like super cheap last year, and I kept them because I wanted to wear them again this year. So UPS just delivered it. Thank you. Oh my goodness, it's a freaking huge box. So the box came a little damaged, so hopefully nothing is wrong with the Christmas tree, but we'll see once we take it out. All right, so last year we put the tree right here on this corner, and I think we're gonna do the same thing again this year. So we're gonna move all of this stuff out of the way. I think we're gonna put that couch in this area right here. So we have to move that first before we can put up the tree. The reason we picked this tree is because you can barely see the wires. I can't even really tell, like for example, right here, you can actually see them now because I'm close up, but honestly, they did a really good job at hiding the wires compared to the other trees that we saw at Lowe's. All of them, you can see the wires, and yeah, the branches on this tree are just really, really nice. It looks really like just realistic. It was actually really easy to put together. We just had like a little bit of difficulties that were just really minor and fixed them right away. They do come labeled. It does come with the instructions in the box. So it comes with the sections A, B, C, and D. So it just tells you like which goes on top of each. We had took off the labels before put it on, so that's why we kind of just messed up right here with the B and the C section, but it's super easy to take apart and fix that. So yeah, we already fluffed it and it looks really nice. So this is the remote control, and you can turn it off with the control and turn it back on with the control. And it does have timer on the control, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 and 8. Super easy to control. I love that it comes with a remote control. It looks so nice when it's focused on something. So pretty. There is a little box right there where you connect it to the outlet, and you can turn it on and off from there as well. We're not gonna decorate it today. We're gonna decorate it another day. I will vlog that. So yeah, I'm just gonna end the vlog right here, and then yeah, hopefully you guys liked it, and make sure you subscribe, hit the like button, the bell to get notified when we upload a new video. Yeah, we'll see you guys next time.